Yes, sir, Bob. That's the guy.
Hey, Dan. You know you want to buy a car, right?
Bob Little commercial, take one.
How you doing? You want to buy a car, right? I can tell. We got white ones right here. Ain't she a beaut? White rack and pinion steering, front disc brakes. Comes with a roof rack. How about that, baby? Bumper cost you extra. We'll add that one on. I can add that one on. You want a trailer? I don't sell trailers, but I got a beaut right here. This blue baby with a little red on the side, a little brown. We'll just throw it in. This bumper's all yours. Don't pay anything extra. These windshield wipers, no problem. We'll take them off for you. Look at that. It's got air conditioning. Ain't that a beaut? Throw your garbage. Throw your luggage. Eh? We got it all. Gas tank, we'll put it right there.
Tires.
Windows, no problem there. Mirrors, tires. Ain't that a beaut? The rim, we'll throw it in. No problem. Action. Where you going?
That's a take. I think this is an antique trailer. Looks pretty nice.